Hello student, I am Prachi Tiwari. Here we will discuss the first chapter of physics of class 10th and the topic is spherical mirrors. As we discussed before what is plane mirrors and now we will discuss what is spherical mirror. Actually spherical mirror is the part of any sphere which is made up of glass. Okay, I am drawing a structure of mirrors. First one is a concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. If we complete it is like a sphere. Now here we will discuss about terms of mirrors, which is a rough discussion. We will discuss a detailed discussion. Okay, here a dash is the aperture of mirror, bb dash is the aperture of concave mirror, and point c, which is I am making, is the center of curvature of mirror. And here I am drawing a straight line which is like a diameter of sphere. It is known as principal axis. Okay, now after this we will discuss what is the pole of mirror. Here point P is the pole of mirror and it is the center of aperture. Okay, so you can see that what is pole, what is principal axis, what is center of curvature, and what is aperture. Now I am drawing two rays which is meeting at a point which is different in both mirrors. Here this point is known as focal point, and any mirror have two focal points, one is real and another is virtual. Okay, so real focus and virtual focus, some people say like focus and some is focal point. Okay, and the distance between the pole and the focus is known as focal length, and distance between the center of curvature and pole is known as a radius of curvature. Now here we are seeing that the focal length and radius of curvature. Okay, now let us do some terms. Aperture, it is a part of spherical mirror from which actually the reflection occurs. ठीक है, here mm dash is the aperture of concave mirror and a dash is the aperture of convex mirror. Okay, here point C is the center of curvature as we discussed before, and center of curvature is it is center of the spherical mirror. Principal axis, line passing straight through C, यानी कि सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से जो लाइन पास करती है उसको हम लोग प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस बोलते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने बताया है कि क्या है. उसके बाद पोल, इट इज़ द पॉइंट वेयर पी एक्सिस स्ट्राइक्स द मिरर. यहाँ पे आप देख लो कि जो है वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस जहाँ पे मिरर को स्ट्राइक करती है दैट इज़ द पोल. अब what is the radius of curvature? It is the distance between C and P, यानी it is the distance between center of curvature and pole. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे जो है कुछ पैरेलल लाइंस जा रही हैं जो कि प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल हैं, और आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट इज़ मीटिंग एट अ पॉइंट विच इज़ नोन एज अ फोकस. वी कैन से दैट फोकल पॉइंट. हेयर इट इज़ नोन एज द प्रिंसिपल फोकस. It is the point where all reflected rays meet or appear to meet. In concave mirror, focal length is negative, and in convex mirror the focal length is positive. You are seeing that the real focus of concave mirror is at left of the mirror. Okay, and the focal point focus of the convex mirror at the right of the mirror, then it is positive, and of concave mirror it is negative. Now let us draw again. It is a concave mirror. A dash is the aperture, BB dash is the aperture of convex mirror. Here it is a principal axis and P is the pole of the mirrors. Okay, here C is the center of curvature, and this is the line parallel to we can say that rays parallel to principal axis. It is meeting at a focus. Okay, you can see that the point F of concave mirror is left of mirror and F of the convex mirror is the right of the mirror. Here distance between the P and C is radius of curvature R, and distance between the F and P, any focus and the pole is the focal length. Here we can see that concave mirror is a converging mirror and a convex mirror is a diverging mirror, and relation between the focal length and radius of curvature is f equal to r upon 2. Here we can see by example, if the radius of curvature is 32 centimeter, then focal length will be 60